welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're exploring up in North Wales. We're doing a 50-mile route between Holyhead and Llanberis in the heart of Snowdonia. It's not too challenging a route and it could easily be done in one day, but we gave ourselves two, travelling with the dog and looking at the sights. The first 20 miles of the route from Holyhead is really lovely and smooth, running along Cycle Route 8, and we come to Bodowyr Burial Chamber. Bodowyr is a cute example of a style of burial chamber that you can see across most of Wales. This one is distinctive mostly by its large mushroom-shaped capstone. Thought to be some 5,000 years old, built in the Neolithic times, it's commonly theorised that this type of monument would have been covered in a mound of earth and rocks, forming a narrow passageway that would have been used as a burial chamber. A few miles further on and we arrive at Bryn Celli Ddu.
Oh, it's cute. It's smaller than I pictured.
Bryn Celli Ddu is also from the Neolithic period. An impressive and powerful site, despite the fact that it is mostly reconstructed. The mound and passageway grave have been reconstructed to resemble what it is thought they would have looked like when they were built. However, the mound is much smaller than it is thought to have been, and there are modern-day building techniques visible throughout. Images from back in 1930 are available from Cadw and show the extent of the works carried out back then, including the concrete lintels that were put in to support the original stones.
Hi. It feels really cool in here. It feels heavy. Like you feel the weight around you. Is that Daddy? But yeah, they took the stone with the pattern on and put it in 6 wagons. Go in there, babe. It feels awesome.
Now you might be wondering why we're walking this, but it's because it's a... It did say kind of specifically footpath. And we did pass a few people on the way last time.
I don't like to cycle if it doesn't say.
No.
Hi, Jack.
Stand by a footprint.
Hey, Debbie. Hi. That's a nice bit of water going to the campsite. Dinas farm campsite, I think, in Bangor. Hey you! Where are you going? Alright. Going back up apparently. Oh my god, that's actually slippery. Cool. Got like the whole campsite to ourselves. We've got benches. We've been sat on the floor for 3 weeks. Look who we found on the table. Come on, get down. Good boy. Down. Don't slip. Come on. Woo! Oh, so scary. Oh, so scary. I like... Oh, wait, they're going to go in the field. Let's not spook them. I'm not the biggest fan of herds of cattle. Kind of creepy. Hi.
I tried to get you before cute, but
Hi.
it doesn't work. You're always cute.